Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for my friend Vinny up in New Jersey on this Galaxy dx93T. Vinny, this 93T here, you had me go ahead and put in the meter lights. Somebody had put a LED setup in there and it wasn't meant for that, so now we got your original type light in. Talkback works. You see it turns red right there. I'm going to show you what we got on the meter. We've done full alignment of this thing, cleaned all the potentiometers, fixed the lens. I'll show you what we got with the power turned all the way down. 5-watt slug going forward. 2 watts of carrier. We're going to go to the medium stage now. I'm going to peg the 5-watt scale, 100-watt slug, 8 watts carrier. Remember, this has the 2290 transistor in it, and the high side, about 19-20 watts. And while I'm keyed up, I'm going to go ahead and show you the average power real quick. Hello, audio, 11111, audio. At 29 watts of average power. Go back down here to the low side. Audio. Still 29 watts of average power. Now this 12290. I'll show you the peak numbers here. Hello, audio, audio. Hello, audio. About 88 watts. Vinny, it's ready to go. Test 1, 2. Fully aligned, ready to go, trucker eyes. I did my thing to it, and I appreciate you letting me do it. For your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. And I just got down. Bonk, bonk.